Against the backdrop of the war in the Middle East, China has hosted defense ministers from Iran and Russia for a meeting in its eastern seaside city of Qingdao. This comes as NATO heads of state agreed to increase defense expenditure by a historic 5%. The Qingdao meeting of the organization's top defense officials comes as a fledgling ceasefire between Israel and Iran holds after 12 days of fighting between the two countries. All right, in further breaking developments now coming in, as per the Ministry of External Affairs reports, India successfully evacuated 3,426 Indian nationals from the war-bound Iran-Israel territory. India has also helped 3 Nepalese nationals reach home safely. Today, a flight carrying 272 Indian nationals reached New Delhi. Operation Sindhu, of course, has been one of the most successful evacuation missions, clearly.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.